What's up, guys? I'm back for 2018. First off, I just want to give a shout out to all my patrons, all my followers on GoFundMe who made it happen, alright? So I got my new camera and we're going to be unboxing that today, okay? So stay tuned this year. I got lots of great content lined up for you. Keep on subscribing, liking, follow me on Twitter, swipe me on Tinder, do all that, alright? And just once again, guys, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Alright, so today we're going to be unboxing my new camera. It's a Canon PowerShot G9X Mark II. So as you can see, it's quite nicely packaged. It shows actually the silver camera on the outside, although I believe mine is black. Actually, I'm positive it's black. So just open up the bottom here, the little tab, and just flips open like that. Alright, so what do we got here? Alright, we got a manual, quite extensive. See if we can focus. See if we can focus there. As you can see, printed in Japan. High quality printing. Paper's got a nice feel to it. Fantastic. Alright, put that aside. Alright, so what else we got in here? We got some literature, register for an online photo album, that's nice. We got some kind of warranty information there, that's great, great stuff. Alright, so some of the hardware here. Looks like we got a battery charger. Yes, that's what it is. Quite nice, feels quite hefty, quite solid. I'm sure that's going to last. Okay, stick that up there. What else we got here? Got a wrist strap, just so the camera doesn't fall by accident when you're out taking shots. All right, and finally, important safety instructions. Alright, so that's about it. Of course, as you can see, the actual camera is not in here. As you guys know, my camera on my iTelephone died last year, so basically this Canon is the only one I have, so basically I had to use it to shoot this video. But basically I hope that's helpful. Kind of shows you what's in the package. And thanks again, guys. Like the video and always subscribe.